Of an updated version of the William A. Wise Law Library's portion of a panel presentation entitled Beyond Scholarship, Innovative Institutional Repository Collections, which was presented at the 2021 American Association of Law Libraries Annual Conference. We discussed the digitized Colorado Session Laws collection housed in the Wise Law Library's digital archive, which is built on the Islandora 7 platform. I am Rebecca Shoddy, the Technology and Web Services Librarian at the University of Colorado Law School, and I manage many of the technical and systems aspects of the Session Laws project.
Hi, I'm Amer Abdullah. I'm the Student Services and Outreach Law Librarian at the William A. Wise Law Library. I utilize the front end of this particular resource to help law library patrons, and I get to use those interactions to provide feedback to Rebecca on ways to help improve it.
This video will discuss our usage of the Islandora 7 platform for our projects. The William A. Wise Law Library uses Islandora 7 as their digital repository to house digitized versions of various government documents from the state of Colorado, as well as 2 cultural heritage collections. One of the government documents collections is, of course, the Colorado Sessions Laws collection, which the series talks about. For those of you who'd like to geek out about the technology, Islandora is an open source repository platform which was originally created by the Robertson Library at Prince Edward Islands University in Canada. Islandora is built on 3 main components. First is a Fedora 3 repository, which holds all of the objects. On top of that repository is a Drupal 7 interface for a customizable website, and in order to search for the repository, there is an Apache Solr search engine. Note, Islandora 8 is in production and has up-to-date versions of all these softwares. The unique aspect of the Wise library setup is that we use multi-sites to create discrete sites for each collection. In Islandora 7, we could make unique pages for each of the collections, but we were not able to make unique searches using a single overarching site. Therefore, we used these multi-sites to create unique advanced searches, leveraging the specialized metadata we created for each collection.
Back in 2016, once initially completed, the William A. Wise Law Library was honored with the Innovations in Technology Award from the AALL, or the American Association of Law Libraries. As you can see from this presentation, even after winning such a prestigious award, we still try our best to continue building and adding to the Colorado Session Law repository. The use of the resource has been deemed valuable by our law library patrons. Monthly, we see usage stats indicating that the Colorado Session Laws page gets visited between 2,000 and 3,000 times a month. As a new reference law librarian, I've used the repository to answer questions from all types of patrons, students, members of the public, and more. And as I get feedback from these users, I can share that information with Rebecca to help shape the future growth and design of the repository, at least from an end user perspective.
Thank you for watching part 2 of our series on the Colorado Sessions Laws. If you have questions or want assistance using the Colorado Session Law collection, please contact us and we'll be happy to help.